no idea what happened to sound. Whatever. At least I can still talk in commentary. So yeah, last time as we left off, we were finding coal, and I think that was kind of great. And finally, some stuff is cooking. Yeah, some iron we found, and that's a little kind of weird. Pork chop done. Finally, can eat this. Nom 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 nom. What is up with the sound? What the hell, man? I don't know what happened. Like the sound is like man, all fabric. Yeah, one pork chop left. Let's go get some wood real quick. Where should we go? Where should we go? The woods are here. Wait, when you kill the oh man, when we kill that skeleton, we didn't get any bones. Damn you, mother flower. Gives a damn. Let's get some wood. So we can plant these trees. Take all this. Taking all this wood. No matter what happens, you know. I don't know what is going on with the sound. Something glitchy going on. No, Minecraft has been frozen. For good. Do we actually really need the sound? Nah, I don't think so. I don't think so. I actually don't think we don't need the sound. I see one. Whoa! Tree's connected to that. That's kind of weird. Just taking down these trees until my axe breaks. That's how it goes. I take wood down unless my axe breaks. Give me a sapling. Give me a sapling from there. Oh wait, there's one right there. How about here? How about here? How about here? No sapling for this? Are you kidding me? I need one. Something drop at least. Give me this. So yeah, check episode 2. This is episode 3. No, nothing here. Are you kidding me? I just completely took out this tree. That's kind of weird. Move! I gotta start chickening now. There's another one there. There's one right here too. There's like 2 of them actually. Come on, give me a sampling for this. Give me a sampling. Come on. Next thing you know, a spider just jumps behind from me. Be like, oh snap! I don't want any of that. Not any of that stuff. Not any of that. I don't think I want some of that. Oh, sapling just fell. Woo. The abundance of this. Yeah, that tree is like f***ed up now. You guys having butt sex? I'm still trying to record stuff for WWE 12. I don't know if I can do that or not yet. I don't know yet. We're gonna have to find out later on today. Now, where did I leave my house? Oh my god, this was the problem. If I was gonna leave my house, I would know I would lose it. Here? Whoa, that's a giant one. Where are you, house? Sheep. You tell me when my house is or I'll beat your bum ass. Where's my house? Did I just completely lose it already? Oh, it's right there. Please be right there. Oh, yes, it is. Thank you. Oh, let's see what stuff is done. Look at that skeleton. He's like chilling out. Oh, what the hell? How'd you get here? Jack, don't fuck with chickens. Ah, you bust that piece of snap. He's like, I can just imagine where that he's like, don't, I'm coming to butt sex you. Oh snap, I'm burning. Ah! Butt sex. Ah. Yeah, I just killed him. Yeah, he's dead. This skeleton go. Okay. Guy is dead. He's dead as hell. Skeleton, you're dead, I bet. He spawned right here. Did he just spawn right here? I'm gonna have a coal back for my iron. I got the pork. Now I need the steak. Let's make some tools. Yeah! See if I can get enough. What the hell? Yeah, we got some bees. Get out of here. Yeah, I have enough for every weapon. Woo! We just got coal. We just got coal. We just got coal. Oh yeah, oh yeah, I'm gonna beat up that skeleton's ass. Hey, you motherflower! Don't you fuck around with me. Yeah, that's right, that's right, that's right. And you drop no bones, damn you. Since I got the coal back, I can just do this. Oh yeah, abundance of that. Oh yeah, we got one coal left over. Oh, there was more up here? Really? I did not know that. Damn, at least I got my coal. This has been ordered. Oh, hey, there's more. This is my new world. New, new generation. And yeah. So yeah, I'm actually in my room. So yeah, maybe. And there's an empty room upstairs. So maybe when my parents are here, I might go upstairs and record it. What was I? Oh yeah, I was gonna cover that up. I don't want a big giant gas. This is my favorite wood, of course. My favorite wood of all time. Not really, my favorite wood. Nah, I don't like this one. This is the normal wood. There's like typical kinds of woods, but actually my favorite one is actually this. Let's put some weapons in here that we don't need, just in case if we die. You know, this is what I do. If I have like leftovers, I just use them. Like if I die, alright. Let's say if I die, alright, I die. Oh no, I died. The next thing you know, bam. I got no weapons, and bam, I got weapons. So yeah, that's one of the easiest things to do. If you want to, if you know me, I do that. I usually do that, alright. Put some torches around this dump. Look at that. Sheep, how long have you been here? He's like shielding me. Look at that. Look at those. Go with your family. Go with your family. Look at those guys. They're like missing you. They're like, please, son, come home. We miss you. We miss you. Come home. Come home. He's like, no, it's not the time. I bet he's like that. He's like, no, it's not the time yet. I go when I want to go. And if I want to go, I want to go. If I don't, too bad. So that's how it goes. Whoops, my bad. That wood is epic as heaven. We like to eat some pizza. Whoa, not in the hole. This is okay? It's gotta be okay. No one can find me. Oh, I can't get down. Mother flower. Oh, it feels so good. It's so alive. And how can I? Oh wait, hold on, hold on, hold on. Where's the shovel? Where's my shovel? I got something. I got an idea. Let's get the fudge out. Alright, it's like this, right? Alright, here we go. Whoa, you came in my house! You're sweet. Look at that, we got sheep in our house. I don't actually care. Oh, oh sweet, look at that. Oh, so then we put that there. We go up. Then where can our door be? Can our door be like right here? That would be cool. Yeah, that's cool. Oh snap! I just got jump shot! Jack, don't fuck with you no more. No sheep, get your bum ass back in there with the flower. Whoa, whoa, whoa! You wanna come back in my house? You came in, now you wanna come back? Damn, she just got raped somewhere. Shouldn't have been more bigger? Like, I swear to God, shouldn't have been more bigger? Like, like right here, and like, ba-da. Shouldn't have been that way. My door. There you go. That's kind of